decided to be swimming. All forward! And drift! All forward! And drift! Woohoo! We made it without incident. Okay, everybody turn around and say hello. Hello! Oh yeah, I was just, I like to use the current there. It's so much easier. Bobby Chuck, Robert,
Robert, the talkative guy?
This one?
Ponytail.
Oh, that's Fast Fred. All right, all forwards. And drift. Hey Shane, do you want us to stay in the back? We've got the first aid kit. Oh, you've got the kit? Oh, we got two, okay. Okay. Well, I don't know, I don't care, but, okay. All forward. And drift. Heading into Gonzo Shoals here shortly, folks. Of course, I have to give you the narrative. Where? All forward, one stroke. Drift. No, huh? All forward. I see a little rock. And drift. Nope, I never got a chance to. All forward. Drift.
leg wrap. More undercut.
There you go. All forward one. One more.
Place down below, I was going backwards, not paying attention to the feet. Walked right into a trap.
Uh-oh.
Upside down underneath that thing. It's like, whoa.
Exactly. Uh-oh, little sticky. All forward. Woohoo! And drift. Little bump. That was almost a no-stroker. All back. All back. Drift. All back. And drift. All forward. And drift. All forward. And drift. Woohoo! High five, everybody! Woohoo! Let's do go all forward, two strokes. One and two. Good job. You know, I saw that when we were coming up River Road. All forward. All forward. Oh dear. Sorry guys. Drift and hold on. All forward. And drift. Woohoo! Nice and nice. Oh, sorry. All forward. All forward. Beautiful. Hi there, how are you? I see it's just like riding a bike. Doesn't matter how long it's been since you've done it. Let's go all forward one stroke. Let's just try to stay in the eddy till everybody gets up here. Alrighty, drift. So does anybody feel scared now? Alright. Alright, we're drifting out of the eddy. What's that?
Yeah, we can do it.
Oh, shit. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. How do you feel, Caitlin?
Good.
Excellent. Oh, I see everybody.
Are we gonna do it 360 tabletop?
No, we're going to do 360s right up here. We might do a 360 at tabletop, but it won't be on purpose. Up forward, one stroke. And one more. Drift. Up forward. One more. Drift. Let's go forward one stroke, and we might have overpowered ourselves. One more. And drift. Woohoo, you're on camera. One more stroke forward. And drift. Go forward. Drift. Left back, right forward. And drift. All right, right back, left forward. Right back, left forward. Okay, lift. Drift. Oh my God, we're 360. All back. Oh wait, hold on. Now how is that for you? All forward. Drift. There's your 360. Did you feel like you were gonna fall out that time, Paul? All right. Now, who has ever done 360s in the eddy? Woohoo! Oh wow. What's that? Hey, yes, of course I meant to do that. Well, I kept thinking that we would get into the current, and we just didn't, and we just kept going, and I was like, well. Man, I'll tell you what, I am super duper warm. Let's go all forward just a couple strokes so we can get back out into the current. One more. And drift.
If I don't swim, I'm gonna be overworked by the bottom.
I'll get you wet here shortly. Never fear. All forward, one stroke. up in the water. Then I'm out of breath. I know, it's ridiculous. All forward. Just nice and easy till we get back into the left-hand side there. One more. Drift. How's it going? Woohoo! Oh, I'm hot. Everybody turn around and say hey. Hey! We're cheesy, aren't we? All forward, one stroke. Stroke. Sorry, Cassie. Making sure you guys are awake up there. All forward. And drift. Oh, whoops. There you go, Dad. Woohoo! All forward, one stroke. That wasn't so bad. Paul, do you feel like this is the one? You feel like this is the one? No, no, no. It won't be, I promise. I'll keep you in. All forward. All forward. All forward hard. All forward. And drift. You're welcome.
Bye. Mama, your thing's blinking.
It means it's recording. Hey, Paul, is it on?
What? It is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is us. Okay, what's the best way to do this, Paul?
Gotta get past that little rock, and then usually I turn back towards the road, and then possibly get everyone down to go.
Okay. All right. All forward, one stroke. That didn't work out so well. Hold on. All forward, one stroke. Okay, Paul, I send him his stuff. All right, all forward. Maybe not yet. All back, all back. Maybe now go forward. All forward. All right, left back, right forward. All right, drip. All forward. All forward hard. All right, get down. Maybe not yet. Hold on. Get down. Get down. Woohoo! Okay, now how do we get out? Okay, I think we. Woo! Over! All right, get there. High five! Woo! Now I'm freezing. I can't believe that it's the first time I've been in there in years. Woohoo! Let's not jump out of the boat. How was that, Dad? Did you enjoy that surfing? That's pretty awesome, wasn't it? I have to say I'm impressed with myself.
How much work did you have to do once we were in there to keep the sentence?
No, I just had to keep a rudder to keep us from backing out. Not too terribly much.
360, was that pretty much automatic?
Pretty much, yeah. I just threw in a paddle to keep us turning. That worked out pretty good, didn't it?
In all my times on the Akoi, I've been on that thing one time a long, long time ago before I learned how sticky it was.
Yeah, it's pretty sticky, isn't it?
I got out of it okay, but it's like...
That was awesome. Now, the last time I tried to get in there, I just couldn't. But see, I didn't realize that you need to go point back up towards the roadside.
Swing the backside in there.
And then I'd go right at the side. Yeah.
Yeah, you're swinging the backside into the hole.
Yeah, and that's what. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's about 85.
Gotcha.
Maybe you're kind of going down to the boat. Some of those people are safe.
Uh-huh.
I don't like
Oh, no, me either. I had a feeling none of us were going to swim, so I was not concerned. Heck yeah. Yeah, you have to give them a lot of TLC. And,
people like it, but others.
there's less people that like it than
Some people think they like
until
it,
they
and
get...
then they